Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a LEGO review of LEGO City Space, and it is the Asteroid, Discovery and Spaceship from 2024 to 2025, and it's at 60429. And as you can see, this is what this beautiful set looks like. Get this crane that actually lifts asteroids. You get this little green alien, and there are two minifigures in this set, a male and a female. And you get two Lego pieces that look like asteroids. And also this beautiful spaceship. And also this piece that looks like a research lab. And this would make a nice addition to your Lego City for a space theme. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment in the comment box below. And please share the links to my videos if toy companies want to contact me for future sponsorships. My email is in a link in the description box below. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.